and speaking to that, what frameworks or regulations do you mostly reference?
Mine is, people know, NIST 800-53. And if you look in there, it says agency defined. I'm an IRS specialist. The jobs I usually have, we're reporting to the IRS. So we're trying to get work from the IRS. So we're doing work for the IRS. So that, once again, we say agency defined, the agency I specialize in the IRS. So
Okay.
then
And
you
what
familiar with STIGS? They have schisms. Is how do you specifically harden a 2022 Windows server? What are your app checks? So they have theirs. It's called schisms instead of STIGs. So I could say,
Oh,
and
okay.
that's why I don't argue anymore. I said these are the requirements you have to do as
Right.
a developer infrastructure. It's not my requirements. These are the legal requirements we have to do to be able to do that work. Right.
Right.
So
Yeah.
that's why I tell them facts over feelings. I don't argue. These are the requirements. I'm here to help you meet those requirements. But if you can't meet these requirements, we can't do this work.
So you're just educating them on here's the path we need to take.
Yeah, as a assessor, you do gaps. So sometimes you look at things you think is policies can have big gaps. Dude, you left this whole section out. You said shell instead of will. You don't have configuration management, incident response. They want to be 72 hours or less. So what does that look like for your company? And can you meet those? They're really legal requirements, right? These are the legal requirements you need to do IRS work or CMC work or DOD work, right? These are the requirements you have to meet.
So another thing is now IRS, I have not stepped foot in that one.
Most
I've
people
done
haven't. It's a hidden gem, but go ahead. Most people haven't.
it is. There's a lot of jobs I'm seeing pop up for that.
Real quick, I'm gonna interrupt you. They just got $2 billion to modernize, so everybody trying to eat on that.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah, if
Wow.
you Google it, they just got a whole lot of money. So everybody's out there trying. The big dogs, Arthur Anderson of Deloitte,
Yes.
Cax is trying to get that money. So they're trying to
Big,
get So they're trying to get it. So that's
or
why
big four? Is it big four or big five? I don't
I
know.
think it went to 4. Somebody got bought out or merged or something. But yeah, go ahead.